Have you ever sat down to read a book and 5 minutes later thought, I don't feel like studying today? You grab your phone just to check social media for a minute, and suddenly an hour has passed. Then you get mad at yourself, thinking, is studying really this hard, or am I just not capable? Here's the truth. Studying isn't hard. It's the way we go about it that often makes it feel difficult. In today's video, we're going to learn how studying can actually feel easy when you start the right way. Part 1. The problem isn't studying, it's starting. Our biggest problem is starting. We think, today I'll study for 5 hours. We make this huge plan in our head. But when we sit down, we feel like there's no way we can do all that. So we don't even start. There was a student who would tell himself every day, I'll get serious tomorrow. But tomorrow never came. Studying becomes easy when you tell yourself, I'll just study for 10 minutes. It sounds small, but that's the magic. Part 2. Small goals reduce big pressure. Imagine someone tells you, you have to finish an entire book today. How would you feel? Not excited, probably stressed. But if they said, just read 2 pages, suddenly the task feels easy. Our brains are wired to fear big tasks. Small tasks feel achievable. So if you want to make studying easy, break big goals into tiny steps. For example, just 1 topic today, only 5 math problems, only 1 note review. Step by step, your studying adds up, and before you know it, you've covered a lot without even noticing. Part 3. Stop waiting for the perfect mood. Many of us think, I'll study when I feel like it. The truth is, mood comes after action, not before. If you wait, you might never start. Some days you'll be tired. Some days you'll feel down. Some days you'll lack motivation. But those who move forward start small even when they don't feel like it. 5 minutes at first, then 10 minutes. Suddenly you're in the zone, because action creates motivation. Part 4. Compare yourself to yourself, not others. Studying also feels hard because we always look at others. A friend studies more. Someone else gets higher scores. Then we think, I'm falling behind. This kind of thinking is dangerous. Just focus on the you from last week versus the you today. If you study 10 minutes more today, you're improving. Studying becomes easy when it's not a race, but a personal journey. Part 5. Make studying a routine, not a battle. Many see studying as a battle. They feel like they have to force themselves. But the ones who succeed consistently make studying a habit, just like brushing your teeth. You don't think, should I brush today? You just do it. Same thing. Sit down to study at the same time every day. Study less if you need, but study consistently. Consistency makes studying easy. So what did we learn today? Studying becomes easy when you start small. You break big goals into smaller tasks. You don't wait for the mood. You stop comparing yourself to others, and you make it a habit. Tonight, try this. Just study for 10 minutes. Set a timer and see if you can do it. Because real change doesn't start with big decisions. It starts with small actions. Let's improve together, not in one day, but a little bit every day.